cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, ½ cup shortening, 1 cup sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 1/2 cups mashed ripe bananas, approximately 4 bananas, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2/3 cup chopped pecans. Step 1. Preheat oven to 325 degrees. Step 2. Grease and flour 2 loaf pans. Set aside. Step 3. Combine flour, baking soda, and salt and set aside. Step 4. Beat shortening at medium speed until creamy. Step 5. Gradually add sugar, beating well. Step 6. Add eggs, one at a time, beating until yellow disappears. Step 7. Add bananas and vanilla. Beat until well blended. Step 8. Gradually add flour mixture, beating until just blended. Step 9. Stir in pecans. Step 10. Pour batter into prepared pans. Step 11. Bake for 1 hour or until a wooden pick inserted in the center comes out clean. Step 12. Let cool.